So today's lesson is going to be over telling time. Now we have our little hand, LH, our big hand, BH, and our second hand, or not our second hand, our seconds hand, that's what I should say, and that counts seconds. Our big hand counts minutes, right here, and our little hand counts hours, right here. So remember, little hand tells this, big hand tells this. We're not really worried about this right now. So let's break down the clock. So it goes from a 1 to 12. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Number 1 is going to mean 5 minutes for the bigger hand. All right, 2 means 10, 3, 15, 4, 20, 5, 25, 6, 30, 7, 35, 8, 40, 9, 45, 10, 50, 11, 55. Now, they're multiples of 5, but we're not going to get into that. So, like I said, big hand tells the minutes, little hand tells the hour. These are the minutes, and these are the hours. Big hand tells the hour. Oh, I'm sorry, little hand tells the hour, and big hand tells the minutes. So, now we're going to go over here. Now we're going to look at our little hand, and where's that pointed? It's not directly pointed at the 2, as you might notice, but it's still in the 2 zone. And the 2 zone is right here. That's our seconds hand. We're not really worried about it, but I just want you guys to get familiar with it because it's going to be on the clock. Now, you can tell that our second hand is in between our 9 and our 10, which is 45 and 50. Now we have these little notches right here. And what those count in between the 45 and the 50. So we're going to look. We're going to go 45, right? And what comes after 45? 46, 47. And if you notice, it's lined up directly at the 47. So we're still in the 2 zone. And our little hand tells us our hours. So 2. And we're going to look right here, and we said 47, right? Because our big hand tells us minutes. 47. Now let's go over here. So, little hand, big hand. Where's our big hand? It's in between our 2 and our 3, right? And 2 is what? 10 and 15, right? But it's in between, so it's not 10 or 15, it's in between the 10 and 15. So we're going to count from 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's see, does that match up right about 13? Yeah, seems about right. 13, 14, 15. But it's pointing at our 13. And our little hand is still in our 6, but it's in our 6 zone. This right here is the zone. So anything here and forward means 6. But not, it stops right when we get to the 7. So we can tell that our time is our minutes, and our minutes are 13. And our hours is still by the 6 and in the 6 zone. So it is 6:13.